Hello and welcome to our farm tour. My name is Dan Kramer. I'll be your farm tour guide today. Behind me is E.A.T Farm. We are a chemical-free farm, certified organic. And what does that mean? When we talk about chemical-free, there's two aspects of chemical, that being like an herbicide, pesticide, insecticide, just like homicide and suicide. Side means to kill. So the herbicide kills the weed, and that can be good, but it also kills the probiotic in the soil, the life in the soil. And why does that matter? That probiotic is responsible for taking the nutrients out of the soil into the plant. So having good bacteria in the soil deeply matters. That allows the plant to be all that it can be in terms of the spectrum of nutrients, and hence the animal eats the plant and we eat the animal. So it's all connected to the life in the soil. The second thing about chemicals is it has heavy metals, and those heavy metals work against health and healing. So all that matters in terms of what we take into our bodies. In terms of why does it matter to me personally, is that behind me is water. So our family loves water. We love to play in the water. We love to boat in the water, to ski in the water, to inner tube in the water. And several years ago, my immune system really took a downturn and I couldn't do these things. And it became obvious to me that I needed to have the energy and health to do all the things that I was called to do for my kids, for my grandkids, for the family at large. So whatever your dream is, whatever your passion is, that you need health to achieve that. You need energy to achieve that. So food is a key part of equipping you, empowering you to do what you're called to do, fulfill your mission. So in the next couple of days, we hope to explain a little bit more about who we are and what we do, so that you can really eat and have food you can trust.